Hi, it's Sasha from Marent Crafts here, and today we're going to have a look at the Prim pom-pom maker. Now this is really good fun for those crafts that you do with your children, or if you want to do some fantastic projects with pom-poms. This actual machine is so quick and easy. It's really good fun to use, and it's completely safe as well. So there's nothing sharp on there. The children are not going to get hurt, but also it takes away the pressure of having to cut those bits of cardboard, hold them in your hand, whereas this actually has a handle, and you can have really good fun with this. So a little bit about the tool. It has a really nice handle. It also has a spring opening as well. So it means that you are not going to get your fingers trapped in there in any way. There are no blades, there is nothing like that. And we're actually just going to work on winding our yarn around. It also comes with a fantastic instruction book. It has lots and lots of pictures for you in there, so you can actually go step by step just by the pictures if you're one of those that doesn't like to read the instructions. But again, it just gives you lots of different ideas of things that once you've made your pom-poms that you can do with them. It also comes with some extra arms as well. So this is to give you the opportunity to do two sizes of your pom-poms. So again, they're really easy to clip on and clip off. And so you don't have to worry about anything sharp or attaching anything. It is literally just a clip. So now to make the pom-poms. Now, I tend to wind two pieces of yarn around because I like them to be quite full and I like them to be nice and colourful. So as you can see, I've started winding around one side. And to start off winding on the second side, you're going to take your yarn and hold the end pieces with your finger. So as you start wrapping around, you actually wrap over the top, so it keeps them really nice and secure. And you're just going to keep with this wrapping motion, making sure your yarn's not tangled and you are evenly going from left to right, right to left. And I go up as far as the blue hooks, and again I go down as far as the blue handle. And it's really important that you don't go over those parts, because then you won't be able to shut your pom-pom maker properly. As you can see, I'm using two different yarns here, so it's really nice and colourful. So here at Marent Crafts, we stock many different types of yarns from Stylecraft, and it is a fantastic brand of yarns. Not only do they do organic, but they do lots of different colours, lots of different variations, and lots of different weights. Now I'm just continuing going from one side to the other. And it's really important that you make sure that both sides are evenly filled with yarn. These also make a really great Christmas or birthday gift for somebody that you know is just starting out on their pom-pom journey maybe, or they're just getting interested in different yarn crafts. So once your pom-pom tool is pretty full on both sides of yarn, we're going to cut that off. And we're going to take the end, and I'm just going to take the edge of my scissors, and I am just going to tuck that in inside so it's nice and secure and it's not going to undo. So once you have finished winding your yarn on both sides, you are going to close your pom-pom maker, and you will see that they clip in really nicely together. You're then going to take your scissors, and you are going to pop your scissors into where the two blue openings are, and you are going to start cutting around. And we start making our way around. And again, a really good sharp pair of scissors is needed for this. And this will take you a little bit of time because you've got an awful lot of layers to go through there. And then once that's done, You're going to get a piece of your wool. And once this is done, you're going to take a piece of your yarn, fold it in half. And once this is done, you're going to take a piece of your yarn and you're going to fold it in half. You are then going to pop it through the hole in the handle, and we are then going to take it through the centre channel where there is no wool. Once you have gone through there, you're going to meet with your other side of wool, and you are going to tie a knot, and this needs to be done quite tightly because this needs to keep all of those yarn bits from falling out. And then we are going to tie a knot like so, and then we're going to undo our pom-pom maker, and like so you have a pom-pom. Now this is the stage where you're actually going to trim your pom-pom, so it can be as long or as short as you would like your pom-pom to be. And again, it is just working your way around, making sure that you are trimming really evenly. And you might want to do this, you might not want to let the kids do this bit, but you can do this at home. And there are so many things that you can do with these. You can put little eyes on them, turn them into little monsters, you can turn them into a pom-pom wreath, you can turn them into Christmas decorations or Easter decorations. The sky's the limits. So check out our website for the Prim pom-pom maker, and also while you're there, check out the various different types of yarn we've got from Stylecraft. Thank you for joining us in this demonstration today.